Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ranjit with another quick tutorial. In this video, let me show you on how to enable the dark mode on WhatsApp for Android users. You have to make sure that you're on the WhatsApp stable version 2.20.64 or above to have this option enabled. First, you need to make sure you're on the latest version, which you can just check by going to the menu at the top right corner of your application and click on Settings. In Settings, click on Help and then App Information, which will show the version that you're in at the moment. Currently, the latest WhatsApp version for Android users is 2.20.108. Once you have checked and confirmed that you're on the latest version, you can click on the menu option once again and click on Settings. In Settings, select the Chat option, where you'll be able to find the option Theme, which will currently or by default will be in the light mode. Click on the dark to change WhatsApp to the dark mode. That's it. You're done. Now everything on WhatsApp will be changed to dark. So now you can give it a try and enjoy the dark mode on WhatsApp. Hope this brief tutorial helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.